Welcome back RK Learning CATIA friends. Friends, we are learning CATIA V5 and in this CATIA lecture we will learn part design. So let's start video. So here I have opened CATIA software. Go to start, select mechanical design, go to part design. Now we have entered in the part modeling. So if you create any sketch and if you want to convert in 3D, so you have to select any datum plane. So first you select any plane and click here sketch, and you can go insert and you can sketcher here also, you can click here. Okay, now you want to create one closed profile. Suppose I create here one circle. Okay, so here finish sketch. Now today we'll discuss this first command. This is a pad. Okay, so select this is pad. When you select pad command, your 2D geometry converted in 3D geometry. If you want to preview see, so click here preview. So this type result you have to find. Okay, so if preview okay, so okay. So Control Z, one more time see. Now again select pad. See here type means here some options have. If we want to pad use by dimension, so we use dimension. So how much dimension you want to give, so we can give change here value. So here click more. Here have second limit, means here I create this sketch. So sketch one direction we have give dimension. If you want to gain dimension both side, so we increase this side. Okay, now here see mirror extent options have. If you want to same this side and this side same distance, so we use here mirror extent. So both sides we equally distance created. Okay, so this is the between of mid plane. Control Z again, pad use. Now here I have mirror extent I use and distance increase. See here thick option है. If you select thick option, so here see. Okay, here we increase thickness. So this is the one direction. If you want to second direction, so we can use second direction. So this type result coming. Okay, again Control Z, again select here pad command. See again I thick use. If you want to both side equal thickness coming, so we use here neutral fiber. Okay, so we have only one thickness whatever we give. So this is distributed half and half both direction of sketch. Okay, so this is the one option we have follow dimension method. Other option we have to follow. So see this is the one example. Suppose I select this one and I want to make a datum plane. So here I have reference. Okay, I select this one. So click here offset from plane. I select this plane. Okay, so this plane select and create here one more sketch. Suppose I create here one circle again. Okay, so you finish. Now again you select pad command. See this one going in direction. If you want to change direction, so you can click here. Okay, now here I have up to next. Up to next means friends, this one go and attach surface that body. Okay, so this is the up to next options. Now again Control Z, again I select pad, reverse direction. If I select here up to last, so this one coming here. Okay, preview see. So this is type result coming up to last. Now again Control Z, again select here pad command, go to here reverse. Now here I have up to plane. Suppose I select this datum plane, so my geometry coming here. Okay, so this is the up to plane options. Now you can cancel the command. Again pad use. Now last option have up to surface. So up to surface means if I select this surface, so this surface coming. Okay, so this is the total option of pad which is I have explained. So here dimension, up to next, up to last, up to plane. Okay, so same way we can follow both direction. Okay, suppose I create here one sketch. I create here one sketch, I make here one rectangle. Okay, and finish it. I select here pad. So the direction I select up to next, up to last. Up to last means here coming, and go to more. Here also I select up to last. So this direction coming, this type result coming. Here also we can select up to next. No problem. Okay. So this is all about a pad command, which is I have explained. So I think you have understood all commands. So we will meet next video. If you have subscribed RK Learning Cat, so this is very good. If you have no subscribed, so please subscribe RK Learning Cat, because I have started to teach all design softwares. Now you can learn without pay any charges. So we will meet next video. Have a nice day.